18. 18 back is 17. 17 back is 16. 16 back is 15. 15 back is 14. 14 back is 13. 13 back is 12. Like that we have to count. So back numbers we have to count. 18. 18 back 17. 17 back is 16. 16 back is 15. 15 back is 14. 14 back is 13. That is given. 13 back is 12. 12 back is 11. So this is back counting. Back counting means in reverse order we have to count. In reverse order we have to count. That is called back counting. Now here skip counting means, so here how many numbers we have to skip. So according to that we have to skip and we have to forward. So here 7. 7, 8 is missing. We have to skip 8 and go for 9. One number we skip here. And 9, after that here 10 we skip here and 11. After that 12 we have to skip and 13. And 14 we have to skip and 15. And 15 we have to skip. After 16 we have to skip and 17. And 18 we have to skip and 19. 20 we have to skip 21. 22 we have to skip 23. Like that one number we have to skip and we have to move. So skipping number means one number we have to skip and go, and one number we have to skip and go. So in that way, so how to find here? 3 numbers are given. So on the basis of the 3 numbers we have to understand how many numbers we have to skip and we have to move forward. So that is called skip counting. Skip counting. Then this is the counting back, means in reverse order in back counting. So we did here, and this is a skip counting. And what comes before? Before means back. Before means before only, back side. So 19. So before what it comes? 18. 18 and 19. And 23. Before what it comes? 22. That means 22 and 23. And 42. Before what it comes? 41. That is 41 and 42. And 45. Before which number will come? 44. That is 44 and 45. In this way we have to think and write. After, here before number, then here after. After means 20, after which number will come? 20 after 21. 35 after 35, 36 will come. 9 after 10, 15 after 16. After means very next number. Before means before number, previous number. Before means we have to take previous number. After means very next number we have to write. In between means center. So in between which number will come? 12, 14. In 12, 14, in between which number will come? 13. 12, 13, 14. In the same way, 10 and 12, 11 will come. So this is between number. Between number means, so what comes in between that numbers, that is called between number. Then after means very next number. What number comes very next, that is after number. Before means what number will come previous to that number, that is previous number. So this is skip counting means, if he gave here one number skip, then we have to skip one number and we move forward. Here also, so blanks missing means back counting. Here back counting is given. Say 18 before which number will come? 17. 17 before 16. 16 before 15. Before numbers we have to take here. So this is called back counting. Yes, now students, we have to compare the numbers. So this is greater than, this is less than, this is equal to. This is the symbol for greater than. This is the symbol for less than. This is the symbol for equal to. So here this is the first question, second question, third question. In the first question 13 and 45 is given. 13. First we have to check 1 tens. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. 10's place and 10's place we have to check. 1 and 4. In 1 and 4, 4 is the bigger. It means 13 is less than 45. 13 is less than 45. Why? Because this 10's place value is lesser value. In the second question, this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 1's place, this is 10's place. First you tally 10's and 10's. In the 10's place 1 is there, in the 10's place 2 is there. Here 1 is there and here 2 is there. It means 2 is bigger. Means this is the bigger. This is the smaller. It means 13 is less than 28. 13 is less than 28. The next question. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is ones place. This is tens place. In tens place and 1 is there. In ones place 6 and 6 is there. Both are equal values. 16 and 16. This is equal to 16 equal to 16. In this way we have to decide which one is greater, which one is lesser. First we have to check the tens place value. If tens place value is bigger, that number is bigger. If tens place value is smaller, that number is smaller. Then here, this is the pictures given. In these pictures we have to count how many pictures are there. After counting number of pictures, we have to decide where the number of pictures are greater and where the number of pictures are less. First here, books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books were given. Here how many candles were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. Then 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is bigger than 5. So like this, first we have to count number of objects. How many objects were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 objects. First we have to write in the box. Then after that, how many candles were there? We have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That we have to write in the next box. Now after that we have to compare which one is less. 7 is less or 5 is less. 7 is the greater and 5 is the less. It means 7 is greater than 5. 7 is bigger than 5. Then here fishes and flowers given. First we have to count how many fishes were there and how many flowers were there. First number of fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 fishes were there here. 6 fishes. Then how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. 6 fishes were there and 4 flowers is there. It means 6 is a bigger number. 6 is a bigger number. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is a number which is greater than 4. In this way we have to compare the numbers. If 2-digit numbers were given, first we have to check tens digit first. Then if tens digit is equal, then we go for unit digit, like that. In tens digit, which one is greater? That number is the greater. In this way we have to compare the numbers. Which one is greater, which one is less. Otherwise, if they are equal, then we keep equal sign. Now students, here circle the number that is 1 less than the number of picture. 1 less than the number of pictures. Here 5 birds were given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of birds 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this 6, 4, 5. Here 3 numbers were given. In these 3 numbers we have to circle one number. So that number is 1 less than this birds, number of birds. 1 less than the number of birds. Here number of birds means total 5 birds are there. Total how many birds were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 less means we have to close 1. We have to close 1. Means we have to decrease 1. 1 less means we have to decrease 1. 1. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left after decreasing 1? After decreasing 1, then we left 4. 4 is a number which is 1 less than this. Where is this 4? We have to circle this 4. We have to circle this 4 like this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds were given. Total 5 birds were given. So here given that circle, we have to circle a number. In these 3 numbers we have to circle a number. One number we have to circle. That number is 1 less than the number of picture. 1 less than the number of picture. In the picture total 5 birds were there. If 1 less means we have to close 1. Then 4 left. That 4 numbers we have to circle. The next question is similar question. That is a home assignment. Now here, write the given numbers in increasing order. Increasing means first we have to take smaller and little bit bigger, little bit bigger, little bit bigger and bigger. Ascending means increasing order. Ascending, this is also called ascending order. Ascending means increasing. Increasing means smaller to larger, smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger number we have to keep. Here four numbers are given. This is first number, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. In this fourth number, first increasing order means ascending order. Ascending order, increasing order, for smaller to bigger, and we have the same only. The question is same. Ascending order, increasing order, smaller to bigger, whatever. So the question is same. So then we have follow ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing in these four numbers, first we have to decide which one is very small. Single digit numbers are smaller number. We have two single digit numbers. One is 6, other one is 9. 6 and 9. 6 is a very smaller. First we have to take 6 here. Then little bit bigger is 9. After 6, 9 will come. Then in 12 and 7, now we go for 2 digit numbers. In this 2 digit number, in tens place we have 1 only. Then in ones place 2 and 7 is there. Then 2 is the smaller. 2 is smaller than 17. Now we go for 12. Then after that bigger 17. This is the ascending order, increasing order. First 6 is smaller, little bit bigger and biggest one. Finally the last biggest number. This is the ascending order. In the second question also he has given one question. So in that also we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means increasing. Increasing order here like this. Increasing order we have to arrange from down to up. Increasing order we have to arrange. First, single digit numbers we have to check. Single digit numbers are smaller than bigger digit, means 2 digit numbers. Then here 3, 6 and 9. These three are single digit numbers. In this single digit number, 3 is a very smaller number. First we take that. Then little bit bigger is 6. And little bit bigger is 9. After that only one 2 digit number is there, that we have to keep as it is. This is the ascending order. Which order? Ascending order. This is ascending order. Here also ascending order. This is ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order. Here, in the next question, reorder the numbers from smaller to smallest to largest. Smallest to largest he is asking. Smallest to largest, it is also the same question. Ascending order. Ascending order, smallest to largest, any have the same only. We have to arrange these 5 numbers in ascending order in our boxes. Rearrange. We have to rearrange these 5 numbers in smallest to largest. First we have to check the smallest one. Smallest one. First smallest numbers are single digit numbers are smaller numbers. Single digit numbers. First we go for single digit numbers. 1, 3, 8. These 3 are single digit numbers. In these 3 single digit number, 1 is a smaller number. 1 is a smaller number. Then after that a little bit bigger is 3. Then after that little bit bigger is 8. Now single digit numbers over. Now we go for double digit numbers. In double digit numbers, these 2 are 2 digit numbers. Ones place is also there and tens place is also there. In ones place, tens place, 1 and 1 is there. Equal. Then we go for ones place. 6 and 8. 6 and 8, 6 is a smaller. It means 16 is smaller. Then after that 18. In this way we have to rearrange. We have to arrange like this. This is the rearrangement. How? from smallest to largest. Smallest to largest, it is nothing but ascending order only. Ascending order only. Now, you also find ascending order. Same question. This is the question. Here we have to write ascending order. Ascending order. Here 5 numerals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numeral, first we have to check which is a single digit. Single digit only one 9 is there. This is a single digit number. Ascending means increasing. Increasing means from smaller to larger. The 9 is the smallest one. Then we take first to smallest one. Then we go for larger number, 2 digit numbers. 16, 19, 21 and 18. In this 3 tens place 1, 1, 1 is there. In this only in tens place we have 2. So in these 3 first we have to compare these 3 numbers. Which one is smaller? Here 6, 8 and 9. 6 is a smaller. It means 16 comes first. Then after that 18 will come. Then after that 18. Then after that 19. After that 19. And only one number is left, that is 21. That 21 we have to write here. This is ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order. This question is also ascending order. First we have to check here any single digit number is there. No, nothing. No single digit number. All are double digit. 2 digit numbers only. In the 2 digit numbers, here in these 2 tens place 1 is there. First we compare these 2. In this 11 and 16, here in 1's place 1 is there, in 1's place 6 is there. So 11 is a smaller. 11 is a smaller. Then after that 16 will come. Then after we check in these 3. 4, 4 and 3. In tens place 3 is there. In tens place 4 is there. In tens place 4 is there. Wherever tens place 3 is there, that is a smaller. Then 31 is the smaller first. Now we compare in these 2. In these 2, which one is smaller we have to check. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there in tens place. In 1's place we have to check. Here 5 is there, here 3 is there. 3 is the lesser. That means 43 comes first. Next 45. This is our ascending order. This, all these are ascending orders only. Ascending order sums, ascending order means increasing order. From smaller to larger, ascending order, increasing order, whatever in 3 ways. 3 ways your question will come. Ascending order, increasing order or smaller to bigger. Now students, in the previous we discussed about ascending order, smaller to bigger. Here descending order, that is from largest to smallest. That is called descending order. Descending order. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are given. In these 6 numbers, we have to arrange the largest first, little bit smaller, 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 smallest one. So in this order we have to arrange. First 43, 25, 15, 33, 48, 20. In these all are double digit numbers. So in this we have to identify which one is the smaller. We go for ones place, we go for unit place. Here ones place, ones place, ones place, ones place, ones place, ones place. This is tens place, tens place, tens place, tens place, tens place, tens place. Now we check tens place first. 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2. 4, 2, 1, 3 is there. That is 4 is a bigger one. 4, here 4 is there and here 4 is there. In between these two, 43 and 48. 48 is the bigger. 8 is the bigger, so that is why 48 is the bigger. And 43 is a little bit smaller than 48. Then 4, 48, 43 is over. Next, here 3 is there in tens place. This is the smaller than 43. That is 33. Then after that, 2 in tens digit 2 here and here. 20 and 25. Here 0 is there, so that is the smaller and this is the bigger. First 25 will come bigger, then smaller. And the last one is a smaller in tens place, so that number will come last. In this way we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from largest to smallest we have to arrange. Here also descending order means decreasing order. First we have to arrange the largest one. Here 7, 5, 12, 11 and 36. 36 first. The double digit numbers we have to check. Why? Because double digit numbers are the larger numbers. So 36. 36 is the larger and little bit smaller is, and after that 5. In this order we have to arrange from largest to smallest. Descending order, decreasing order. Descending order, decreasing order. First smallest one, little bit smaller, little bit, smallest, last. The last smallest one. Here, in the next question, encircle the smallest group. Smallest group we have to circle. We have to circle. Here, this is first picture, second group of pictures, third group of pictures given. Here, number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards given here. Then how many textbooks given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 textbooks were given. Then here how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. 6 cards, 11 textbooks, 5 flowers given. In this, encircle the smallest group. We have to make a circle for smallest group. In 6, 11 and 5. The 5 is the smallest group. We have to make a circle for this smallest group. 5 is the smallest group that we have to circle. This is your circle group, smallest circle group. Yes, now today we completed our chapter. So numbers till 50. So then for more sums, so go through your workbook. So for your practice purpose, more sums were there. So because of your better practice, so it is very compulsory, it is very needy to do more and more sums from your workbook, and as your home assignment, do from your workbook.